Welcome back to CryptosRUs. I am George. We're all George. It's a little bit early, so I'm looking a little tired. But I am in the airport traveling. I'm recording this because it is the last day of the year, December 31st, and things are looking much better today. Yesterday, I was streaming and I told you guys we got one more day to go. And today is that day, and things are looking much better. I know that there's still a chance for Bitcoin. There is still a chance for more volatility, let's say today, right? Wall Street can continue to sell off. Wall Street continue to take profits and do some tax harvesting and rebalancing. But you know what? I mean, it's the last day. It's probably over, seeing the way the day is starting out, right? If you think about it, Asia is already done. Most of the East, Australia, Asia, they're already in the new year. They're already celebrating New Year, so they're definitely not doing it. Europe, their day is closed. I mean, they're still in the 31st, but their trading day is over. At this point, I would say, yeah, their trading day is over, so they're done. So it's just really us in the West, in the US. I don't know how many portfolio managers and fund managers out there that are still trying to do their thing. But right now it's looking good. The broader market in the US, Dow, NASDAQ, S&P are all looking green this morning. Not crazy green, but green. MicroStrategy, Coinbase, Robinhood, anything Bitcoin related is actually in the green. Yesterday was terrible sell-off, actually terrible sell-off for the last 2 weeks, obviously. But today things are looking green. Bitcoin obviously is looking green. Everything's recovering. As of right now, Bitcoin is at 95.6. So obviously yesterday it got as low as 92,000. Even when I was streaming, it was like 92.3, 92.4. It actually got even lower yesterday, like 91 something. But I told you guys, even though we had 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks, we had about 12 days of red, right? We had 12 days of, let's say, of corrections, 12 days of volatility. That does not wipe out the remaining of December. From December 1st all the way to the 17th, we had a fantastic 17 days where we saw Bitcoin go all the way up to 108,000, right? And we had a fantastic November and October, and basically the entire year, Bitcoin year to date 120%. I saw some guy, some trolls like, well, George, what if we bought 2 weeks ago? Well, no one should be investing for just 2 weeks, okay? If that's your mindset that, hey, you're just coming in to invest for 2 weeks, this is not for you, okay? If you're coming in to invest, really not just for Bitcoin, anything, even memes, your timeline, your time scale should be longer than 2 weeks, right? If you did get in 2 weeks ago and you bought at the very top, know that, hey, you got in at peak, you're down a little bit, but continue to hodl. Dollar cost average down, bring your average down, and in no time, you will be in the green. You will be in profit, just like everyone else that have been doing so for years. We've all gone through it. There were people that bought in 2017 at top at $20,000, rode it all the way down to $3,000, okay? But didn't give up, continued to dollar cost average or just hodl. Even some people didn't even buy anything on the way down. but they continued to hold and saw it go all the way back to 20,000 and beyond to 69,000. Some people bought at 69,000, saw it go all the way down to our low of 15,000 of the last cycle. Okay, and again, some people DCA'd, brought their average down, but some people didn't. Rode it all the way down, and guess what? This cycle earlier this year saw Bitcoin go up above to 73,000 in March. Some sold, some took some profit, some didn't, and saw it go right back down, all the way back down to 40-something thousand. And then guess what? And we surpassed it. And now we're in the 90s, right? Still above it. So again, when it comes to Bitcoin, comes to investing, it's just a matter of patience. Okay, you got to have long-term mindset. So bottom line is, hopefully you guys have stayed strong. My message has always been the same. Stay strong, stay focused, don't give up, right? And things are looking bright. So by the time you guys watch this, the market should be open. Things are looking pretty good right now, like I said. Of course, there's always a chance that things could flip around, but considering that east side of the world, Asia, and Europe, market should be closed already. So all the rebalancing, profit taking, and everything else that I've been talking about is over for them. It's really just left, it's just really Wall Street, right? And I think Wall Street, anyone on Wall Street that needed to do what they wanted to do, it's probably done, right? I don't think they're going to be doing much more of that. So leading into the new year, I think it's going to be good. I think that's why we're seeing the resurgence. It would not surprise me that if today continues forward, we could go right back up to $100,000. Now it's not surprised me one bit. When things move and when FOMO hits, it goes really hard. Just look at Christmas. Pre-Christmas, we went from $94,000 to $100,000, like in one day, right? So can we go right back up there? With all that FOMO, we know Bitcoin is oversold. So with all the FOMO that's coming back into the market, we can certainly see it. We can certainly see it, guys. All right, that's pretty much it for this video. Besides Bitcoin, you guys know a lot of the alts really oversold. Bitcoin went down like 10%, but you guys know Solana's down more, XRP's down more, Cardano's down more, Chainlink is down more. Man, we got so many good alts, so many projects that I've been talking about. Even Sui's down more, Hedera's down more, AI plays, they're down, 20%. You got a lot, even gaming, deep in plays. There's so many that are down, right? Hopefully you guys have been taking advantage, picking up, and once we get back to our previous highs and go beyond, you guys will be rewarded, right? So that's it. Smash your like, subscribe to the channel. Have a good one, guys. Enjoy today, and we'll see how Bitcoin reacts to the final day of this year of 2024. All right, take care, guys. Bye-bye.